If you have a business idea and you want someone to invest in it, then one of the most important things you need is a clear investment proposal. Many people assume that having a good idea is enough, but that is not how funding works. Investors are not inside your head. They cannot see what you see. They only understand what you explain to them. And if your explanation is not clear, structured, and convincing, even a strong business can be ignored. In this video, we are going to walk through everything you need to know about investment proposal in a way that is easy to follow. The goal is very simple. By the end of this, you should be able to explain your business clearly, structure your proposal properly, and present your opportunity in a way that makes sense to the person reading it. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. What is an investment proposal? An investment proposal is a structured document that explains your business opportunity to a potential investor. It tells them what the business is, what problem it solves, who it serves, how it works, how it makes money, how much funding is required, what the money will be used for, and what they stand to gain in return. Now, let us talk about the components of an investment proposal. Executive summary. The executive summary is the first part of your investment proposal, and it gives a quick overview of the entire opportunity. It explains what the business does, the problem it solves, the opportunity in the market, how much funding you are looking for, and what the investor stands to gain. Even though it is called a summary, it is one of the most important sections because it is usually the first thing the investor reads. If this part is confusing, too long, or unclear, the reader may lose interest before they even get into the details. A strong executive summary is short, clear, and easy to understand. It gives just enough information to show that the opportunity is worth paying attention to. Business overview. After the executive summary, the next section explains the business itself. This is where you describe what your business does, the product or service you offer, your mission, and the stage your business is currently in. If the business is already running, you can mention any progress or milestones you have achieved. If it is still new, you explain what has been developed so far. This section helps the investor understand who you are and what you are building in a simple and direct way. Problem and solution. This is one of the most important parts of the proposal because it explains why your business exists. You start by clearly describing the problem. What exactly is going wrong in the market? What are people struggling with? What is missing? Then you explain your solution. How does your product or service solve that problem? Why is it useful? Why is it better than what already exists? A strong proposal makes the problem feel real and the solution feel practical. It should be easy for the investor to see the connection between the problem and what you are offering. Market and opportunity. Once the problem and solution are clear, the next step is to show that there is a real market for your business. This is where you explain who your customers are, how large the opportunity is, and why people will actually pay for what you are offering. You may talk about customer behavior, industry trends, or growing demand. The goal is to show that this is not just a good idea, but a real opportunity with people who are ready to pay for the solution. Product or service. In this section, you describe your product or service in practical terms. What exactly are you offering? How does it work? What makes it useful? What makes it different? You are helping the investor understand the actual thing at the center of your business. The clearer you explain this, the easier it becomes for them to see the value. Business model. The business model explains how your business makes money. This is where you show your revenue streams, pricing, and how the business can grow financially over time. It is not enough to have a good idea. You need to show how that idea turns into income. Whether it is through sales, subscriptions, service fees, or partnerships, this section should make it clear how money flows into the business. Marketing and operations. This section explains how you will get customers and how the business will run on a daily basis. You talk about how you plan to attract attention, convert customers, and keep them engaged. You also explain how the business will operate, including the systems, processes, and resources needed to deliver your product or service consistently. This shows that you are not just thinking about the idea, but also about execution. Team, financials, funding, returns, and risk. The final part brings together the remaining key elements. You introduce your team and show why they are capable of building the business. You present your financial projections in a realistic way so the investor can see how the business may grow over time. You explain how much funding you need and exactly what it will be used for. Then you show what the investor stands to gain and how they may get returns. Finally, you acknowledge the risks involved and explain how you plan to manage them. Together, these elements help the investor understand not just the opportunity, but also the people behind it, the numbers supporting it, and the level of preparedness. Let's move to how to write an investment proposal step by step. Step 1. Define the investment objective. The first step is to be clear about why you are raising money. You need to know how much you are looking for, what the money will be used for, and what you expect to achieve with it. This step is important because it sets the direction for the entire proposal. When your objective is clear, your message becomes focused. When it is not, the proposal becomes scattered and difficult to follow. Step 2. Understand the investor. The second step is to understand who you are writing to. Different investors have different priorities. Some care about growth, some care about stability, and some care about impact. When you understand what matters to your investor, you can present your proposal in a way that speaks directly to them. This makes your proposal more relevant and more effective. Step 3. Write the executive summary last. Even though the executive summary appears at the beginning, you should write it last. Once the full proposal is complete, you will have a better understanding of the opportunity and can summarize it clearly. This helps you avoid writing a summary that is either incomplete or unclear. Step 4. Present the business clearly. Now, you focus on explaining your business in a simple and structured way. You describe what the business does, the problem it solves, and how it works. The key here is clarity. Avoid complicated language. Say things in a way that is easy to understand. If someone reads your proposal and has to struggle to understand it, you have already lost their attention. Step 5. Support your claims with data. Once your explanation is clear, the next step is to support it with data. If you say there is demand, show evidence. If you say the market is large, explain how you know. If you present financial projections, make sure they are based on reasonable assumptions. Data builds trust. It shows that your proposal is not based on guesswork, but on real thinking and analysis. Step 6. Show the use of funds clearly. Now you explain exactly how the investment will be used. You break it down into clear categories such as product development, marketing, hiring, and operations. Each part should connect to growth. The investor should be able to see how the money moves the business forward. Step 7. Explain returns and exit. This step focuses on the investor. You explain what they will gain and how they will gain it. Will they earn through equity growth, dividends, or another structure? You also explain possible exit options and timelines. This helps the investor understand how they may get their money back and make a return. Step 8. Review and refine. The final step is to review and refine your proposal. You check for clarity, structure, and flow. You remove anything unnecessary and make sure everything reads smoothly. A well-organized proposal shows professionalism. It tells the investor that you are serious and that you respect their time. As you write your proposal, there are some mistakes you should avoid. Do not make claims you cannot support. Do not use unrealistic numbers. Do not write in a way that is difficult to understand. Do not ignore risks. And do not forget to clearly explain how the investor benefits. Most weak proposals fail because they are unclear, not because the idea is bad. At the end of the day, an investment proposal is simply a clear explanation of your business opportunity. It shows what you are building, how it works, how it makes money, what you need, and what the investor gains. When you structure it properly and explain it clearly, it becomes easier for someone to understand and trust your idea. At Entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on Entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. If you found this useful, subscribe to the channel for more practical business insights. We are rooting for you. We are rooting for you.